What comes to your mind when I say wall finishes? Tell me, don't worry, I'll wait. Well, all of this and more we'll be discussing today. I'll be disclosing to you. I'll be right back. Hi there, Obed Kazachat here. This is Guinea Review. If this is your first time on my channel, you're very much welcome. Here I review building materials, building components, and general building solutions. If that's your kind of stuff, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button and you'll be the first to see every new video I release. And I'd like you to also participate. This is a community where we have architects, engineers, surveyors, quantity surveyors, and general interior designers and home owners. This is a good place for you and you're very much welcome. Now, what usually comes to your mind when you hear interior space finishings? Well, you talk about skirting, you talk about ceiling, you talk about wall covering and all of that, and there are materials for all of these things. You have wood finishes, you have tilings, you have POP, and then all general materials that you have been using. Now, I stumbled on this material and I loved it and I can't wait to share it with you. I am talking about Orac. Orac. Oh, I wish there's a drum roll. I'll make provision for a drum roll next time. But Orac, I'm presenting to you Orac. Orac is a different material. I stumbled on this material and it's just awesome. It's awesome. Now, Orac is a polyurethane based foam material with an average density of about 220 kilograms per cubic meters with an average dimension of about 95 by 20 millimeters. Now, Orac, like I said, is a polyurethane based material. This composition of material has made it different from other materials. It has given it an edge in the finishes and then in the installation. Now, when you think about materials for finishing, wainscoting, wallscaping, generally you think about timber, HDF, you think about tiles, you think about POP and all of that. Now, you finish that, all the process of installation, you need a specialist, and then for timber, you're going to finish it properly, polish it, and then coat it with whatever paint or chemical you need to do that. But in the case of Orac, it's totally different. The installation is easy, and then you can paint almost immediately. You can paint it immediately after installations. Now, one of the things that there's quite a number of things that makes Orac different from other materials, that makes it special, that makes it unique. What are the advantages? What are those advantages? Number one, Orac is termite resistant, it is water resistant, it is flexible, it is lightweight, and then it is ready for painting. You can paint immediately after installation. Now, isn't that awesome? Now, all of the processes in finishing and using other materials for your interior wall or interior space finishing, you would have to eliminate some of those processes. All you have to do is install. And the awesome thing about Orac again is I discovered is a material you can install yourself. You might not need a specialist to do this for you. You can do it yourself. All you have to do is get the actual dimension of the space you need to install, do your measurement, and then cut it. It's usually bought with a glue you use to attach to the space you want to install. So you get all of that yourself and you apply. In this case, for this one, I think this a copy for skirting, or yes, so you apply the glue here behind here and then you install, and then this is the finished face. This is the finished face. So when you install, you paint this face to whatever color. Now, what are the products? I discovered Orac has quite a number of products. Apart from there's quite a number of products. They have about 12 products: wainscoting, ceiling cornices, ceiling roses, skirting, 3D wall covering, linear and non-linear. There's quite a number. I'm going to drop a link below in the comment section, and I would want you to check out Orac's website for yourself and you're going to see the amazing products they have. All of this are supposed to be solutions and should make our work easy actually for designers and even homeowners and people in the construction industry generally. So having some of these solutions gives us speed, and then it makes work much easier for us, lightweight and all of that. They are inventions and they are solutions that are supposed to make our work easy, and I believe you're going to love it. I'd like you to check Orac's website, and I believe you're going to love everything you find there. Now, for the quality, environment and health policy, fire policies and all of those, Orac has done well to provide certificates for all of those tests on their website, and I'd like you to check that out for yourself, see all of those details, because not just having a solution, but you need to be sure that whatever product you're installing in your space, in your client space, is healthy. So I would need you to check that out for yourself and be sure of what you're doing and be sure of what you're getting. Now, for the service period, I'm not sure how long the service period is supposed to be, but the service period basically is how long the product is supposed to serve you. So, but I believe with a good maintenance culture, Orac is going to serve you for a long while. So, but I'll drop a link, like I said, in the description box, and I would like you to check and see details for yourself. Now, thank you for your time. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I want you to hit the subscribe button and share with friends. I'd like you to really participate on this platform. This is a community, and I would want you to really participate. I'd like to appreciate my very good friend Architect Korede for providing me with the Orac product sample. Thank you very much, my guy. So guys, that's all for now. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share with friends and families, your enemies, your potatoes, your tomatoes, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.